Have you ever wondered what everything around you is made of? Welcome to Matter Mystery, where you'll explore the fascinating world of matter and its many properties, all while uncovering clues, solving challenges, and getting one step closer to unlocking your final reward. Let's get started with the basics. Everything you can see, touch, and feel, from rocks to water to air, is made of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. That means solids, liquids, and gases are all forms of matter. To describe matter, scientists look at its properties, the traits we can observe or measure. These include things like color, size, shape, texture, and hardness. Properties help us identify and compare materials. One important property of matter is density. Density tells us how much mass is packed into a certain amount of space. If something is very dense, it will usually sink in water. If it's less dense, it might float. This is why a rock sinks, but a leaf might float on a pond. Another key concept is states of matter. Matter can exist in three main forms: solid, liquid, and gas. Solids hold their shape, liquids flow and take the shape of their container, and gases spread out to fill any space they're in. Matter can change between these states if we add or remove heat. Next up is mass, the amount of matter in something. We measure mass with a balanced scale, and it stays the same no matter where you are. So whether you're on a mountain or at the beach, an object's mass doesn't change. Now let's talk about volume. Which is the amount of space matter takes up. You can measure volume with a beaker for liquids or with a ruler for regular-shaped solids. A balloon filled with air takes up more volume than one that's empty because it holds more gas inside. Texture is another physical property. It describes how something feels. Is it rough, smooth, bumpy, or soft? Scientists observe texture to help describe and compare materials, just like you do when you touch something new. And what about how things look? That's where luster comes in. Luster tells us how shiny or dull a material is. Shiny objects like metals have what we call metallic luster, while dull ones like chalk have non-metallic luster. Luster is especially helpful when identifying different rocks and minerals. Finally, we reach the word that ties it all together: material. A material is the substance something is made of. Whether it's wood, glass, metal, or volcanic rock, every material has unique properties that help determine how it's used. So to sum it all up, matter is everywhere. It has mass and volume. It can be described by properties like texture, luster, and density. It can exist in different states: solid, liquid, and gas. And it's made of materials chosen for their specific traits. Now that you know what makes matter mysterious, you're ready to begin your mission. Watch carefully, use your knowledge, solve each challenge, and uncover the secrets hidden on the slopes of Mount Etna. The curator is counting on you. Good luck, adventurer!